Hey guys. This is Bastian. And today I'm going to show you guys how to add ambient guitar sounds to your tracks without using any big contact libraries or other expensive third-party plugins. Instead we're going to be using loops. But we're going to be changing the loop so much that it would be hard to recognize the original one. So here I've already made an ambient guitar section for a progressive house track I've been working on. First I'll play the section so you guys can hear what it sounds like. Then I'll remake that section to show you guys how it was made. Here's how it sounds individually. And here's how it sounds with all the other elements in the track. Now let me show you guys how it was made. Here I've loaded up a guitar loop from a sample pack. I'm going to be using this loop to make an entire guitar section. First let's change the BPM of the loop to the BPM of this project, which is 128. I've also added some effects to it. I'll show you that first. Now let's make a whole guitar section out of this small loop. Well, that was quite simple, right? This can be done with any other sound as well. Just play around and experiment and you'll get some pretty cool results. I have added the download link for the FLP of this ambient guitar section in the description. If you guys have any doubts or questions, just leave them in the comments below. Also, if you guys want me to make a tutorial regarding any specific topic, just comment it below and I'll see what I can do. Have a great day, guys.